Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy and I'm a part-time reseller on an app called Poshmark as well as on ThredUP. And so today I'm bringing you a ThredUp designer DIY unboxing. So I have not opened this box yet. And before we get started, if you've not subscribed yet and you'd like to, click down below. Also, if you like this kind of content and like what you see, give me a thumbs up on the way out. So I got a box from ThredUp. I have never been able to get the designer boxes. I check every afternoon and I never come across them, or if I do, it's already sold out. So I was checking last week and it went live. So I actually ended up getting two, but I've only gotten one so far. One came today. I could not wait to unbox it. So it came from, well, I'm going to show you. I've already opened the lid. I've not been through the box. But the box came like this. So I'm hoping that nothing in here is like crazy damaged. But if it is, I took a picture of it before I unsealed it. So this box is from, some people like to know where they're from. This box is from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. So, and I come with my receipt. This is the rescue box, the DIY designer, and it was $90. And I believe it's 7 pieces. And it came with free shipping. So that's the invoice for that. And all the ThredUp boxes always come with your little polka dot paper here, and which I typically save. But yeah, this box is in bad shape, y'all, so I'm hoping it's okay. So let's get started. All right, so the first item, I'm gonna undo my paper here so y'all can hear it. All right, so the first item, ooh, I see sparklers. Okay, so the first item, now these boxes, I will tell you, if you've never got one, it is a designer DIY. So like a lot of other rescue boxes, it can be damaged, it can be a hot, absolute mess, or I've seen them really good condition items, so we're getting ready to find out what this is. So our first item, this is very pretty. It is a Love Machino. I think I'm saying that right. Made in Turkey. It is a turtleneck dress. And it says Love Machino. And it's got the heart with the Saturn on it. And if y'all can see this, oh my gosh, so cute. And it's got the little turtleneck. It's long sleeved, super soft. It's got the rib at the bottom. Let's see here. The fabric tag is cut out, and I don't see a size tag either, so that's probably why ThredUp didn't take it. Yeah, I don't see that. But let's see, there's a little bit of peeling, which I'll be able to, you can see, I'll be able to shave that. This is super soft. I feel like this is, I really don't know what material it is. I'll do some research on the style and see if I can find some information online about it. But other than the size tag and the fabric tag being missing, I don't see any flaws in this. So I'm happy with this, especially going into fall. This is like very, very nice. All right, next item. Ooh, it's a pretty dress. So y'all see this little spaghetti strap dress? It's still got like a little tag holder in it. I'm not sure if it's very cute, very silky. It's got a zip up the back. It's got really pretty like yellow flowers on it, if you can see. Let's see what she is. What are you? Ooh, this is Millie of New York. It's a Millie dress. So I do not see a size tag in here. Let's look in. And there's not a fabric tag either. So I don't see any flaws on this dress. There's no size tag or fabric tag, which is fine. I'll research and see if I can find out. This is so soft. I'll see if I can find out what this style is made of and include that in my listing. And also I'll just do measurements, but I don't see any flaws, stain. Oh, there is. I'll take that back. Okay, but still, we'll see. So I'll just list it as is and disclose it, but here on the seams, it looks like, if you can see, it's a little pulled here. and over here. So it looks like probably, my guess is that somebody was wearing it and it did not fit them. And when I turn it inside out, looking at it closer, it looks like somebody actually possibly had altering done to it. So I'll research a little bit more on that. I still don't care. I mean, I'll still list it because with the measurements, you know, I'm not going to get top dollar for it, but I'm not upset about it. So that's a good piece. Oh, the next piece here, we have a Dolce & Gabbana t-shirt with a big Dolce & Gabbana on the back. Or it's a tank top rather, and it just says Dolce & Gabbana. Thank you. Just a white tank top. I do not see a size tag on this. Let's see here. Maybe, oh, it's a, yeah, here's the size tag. It is a 36, and it's 100% cotton. So this is, I mean, this is like good use condition. There's not really, just a little bit of wear, but nothing crazy. So I'll definitely list that. So piece number 4 is a Longchamp bag. So you can see the hardware here. It's got the horse on it. Got the horse print on the front. These bags, a lot of people like to make fakes, but you want to look for that printing there. It also says Longchamp on the back, and this is the Les Pliage Shopping. I don't know. Handles are in great shape. There is a button back here. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at the style. I'm not sure if something's missing. There is a small hole here. Oh, okay. Yeah. There's little small holes on each edge. So they're not big enough for anything to fall out. The inside looks really, really clean, if you can see that in there. The inside looks really clean. Somebody left some type of like little store gift card in there. So yeah, I mean, I'll list that. It's not going to go for much, but still, I'll list it. And if it's got some wear on the front, which I'll see if I can clean that up. But yep, we'll go with that. The next piece, I'm not sure. Let's see. I can see all 3 of them right now, but I can't see what brands they are. So we'll do these first. Nice. Okay. These are nice. Okay. Pair of Salvatore Ferragamo shoes. These are like a white and a navy. So cute. Here's the bottoms. The heels are in good condition. There's some wear here, but nothing crazy. It is a 7, size 7. So yeah, these are actually in really good condition. There's a little bit of a wear right here on the edge, but I'll just note that in the listing. Not upset about that. Happy about these. These are cute. Very cute. All right. Oh. Okay. All right. This is the 6th piece. A pair of black patent wedges that have, we'll cover her up there, that have the patent strap with the sling back. The wedge bottoms are in decent shape. Got some wear on them, but nothing crazy. There is a little bit of wear, if you can see, on the toes here. But yeah, so, and they are Prada. They are Prada. And they are size 38.5. It also says Prada back here. They're size 38.5. Very cute. I mean, no major problems with them. Very, very wearable. Still have a lot of good second life left in those. So I'm happy about that. So this is the last piece. I'm not sure what she is. So it's a gold. It's like a gold bronze purse. If you can see that on that, it's so pretty. And it Comes up and it has magnet closure. It still works. Pretty little chain detail. It's got these little, the zipper is the long, and let's see, what are you? Oh, look how pretty and clean inside. That's like a teal color. Very pretty. Okay. Very pretty inside. It is also a teal color. This is, it's got a zipper pocket in here. This is Henry Bendale. I'm not sure if you can see that or not because it doesn't come down. There we go. Right there it is. Henry Bendale. And it also says it on the little, on the little zipper pulls. So yeah, okay. So I've never sourced or found this brand before, so I'll definitely be looking at comps on that. But it is super clean inside. I mean, it has a little bit of wear, you know, a little bit of discoloration on these zippers, where it's the gold tone, and some wear on the outside, but the inside is like super clean. So I'll definitely, oh, isn't she pretty? Oh yeah, that's perfect going into fall and winter too. So there is a little bit of wear here. You can see it just kind of turns, if I can see with the light here, it kind of turns blackened in there. And some wear on the back. I mean, but it doesn't, you can't really, I don't know. I think with the top print it is in the lighting, it really doesn't show that much. So that is nice, very nice. So I'm happy with this. So we got the Henry Bendale purse. Oh, that was loud. We've got the Prada slingbacks, and these may be my fave. Is these Prada slingbacks. They're very, very cute. So, and they actually may be my size, 38 and a half. Yeah, I wear like a 38 to a 39. So, Prada slingbacks, the Salvatore Ferragamo career heels, the navy Longchamp bag, the Dolce & Gabbana white tank, the Millie dress, and this is, well, the bag, the Fendi shoes, and then this Moschino sweater dress. I absolutely love this. I'm looking forward to listing this one for fall. So that is it. Thank you for joining me for this designer DIY, and when I get the next box, I'll be doing an unboxing of that one too. So I'm super excited. Leave in the comments below if you've gotten a designer DIY and what kind of things you've gotten in it. Have you been excited? Have you been disappointed? Has it been everything you thought it would be? This box cost me $90, so I think definitely I'll be able to make that back and then some off of this, especially between the handbag, the Prada shoes, the Salvatore shoes, and the Moschino dress. So you all have a great day, and stay safe out there, and thanks for watching. Bye.